Good morning, class 10. Today we shall be continuing with the chapter Chromosomes, Cell Cycle and Cell Division. The part which we will be discussing today is cell division. I hope that whatever has been taught in the earlier classes is very much clear to all of you and it's good enough. The understanding is good enough so that we can further move. Okay, so cell division is, as the name says, is the division of the cell. So I have already told you earlier that it is cell division can be of two types, mitosis and meiosis. In mitosis, the cell division leads to the production of diploid cells. That means one cell forms two cells, one parent cells forms two daughter cells, and the chromosome number remains the same. That is, in humans, if we take the example of humans, there will be 46 chromosomes in the parent cell and same number, that is 46 chromosomes, will be there in the daughter cells. Clear? So coming on to the definition, cell division leading to the production of diploid cells for growth and development. If you remember the four reasons which I have told you for which the cell needs to divide. The first reason was growth, replacement, then repair. So these first three I told you, they are responsible, they are taking place because mitosis is there. So mitosis is responsible for growth, replacement and repair. The same thing is being told here, that production of diploid cells for growth and development. Development is a part of course, all these things. The second is meiosis. The fourth type of necessity for division which I told you was reproduction. So meiosis is necessary type of cell division for production of reproductive cells or reproductive gametes that occurs in higher forms of organisms. In higher forms, like us, the humans, or any tree or any other insect, these special kind of division takes place in the reproductive cells, and the sperms and the eggs receive only half the number of chromosomes. That is, out of 46, one cell receives half, that is 23 in case of humans. That will be called as haploid. Clear? Haploid means unpaired, single chromosome which are not paired. It is represented by a small n. Diploid, as in mitosis, is represented by 2n. Clear? So coming on to the definition, cell division leading to the production of haploid cells or gametes. Gametes will be sperm or egg. Why this is so? Because sperm and egg at the time of fertilization need to fuse, and when they will fuse, 23 chromosomes from each of them will combine again to form 46 chromosomes. Clear? So growth, replacement, repair takes place because of mitosis and reproduction takes place because of meiosis. Moving forward. The next is we will be starting up with mitosis.